Hello and welcome back to 2 Minutes Crypto. Today I'll show you how to add any token on MetaMask. There is two different ways how we can add a new token. If token is better known and it's on Ethereum network, we can find it simply here on import token and in the search field. For instance, Chainlink or USDT. But if it's not that well known or it's on some other network, we will have to add it manually. If token is on Ethereum network, we will add it here, but if it's on Binance Smart Chain or some other network, we will have to choose that specific network. And we have to add here token contract address. On CoinMarketCap, we can find almost every coin and his contract address. So just find that token on CoinMarketCap, and here you can see the contract address. You can click here and just add it to your MetaMask, or copy it and add it here. So that's it works. This way we can add any token we want on MetaMask. If you find this video helpful, please click on that like button and subscribe for more similar videos. Also, if you don't have an account on some of these exchanges, make sure to take advantage of discounts on trading fees using my links in the description.